Okay, this is it's a passenger drone in simple terms, but also we can call it a flying taxi. So basically, it's a car that flies. Yeah. So what we've done, it's not just a frame, but it's a piece of engineering which has complete like hardware and software part of it. And we've part of the team that we are working with, they are professional electronics engineers, aeronautics engineers, and software engineers. We teamed up and made this happen. So you'll witness yourself. Yeah. It comprises of 3 major parts, which is now the propulsion system, yeah, which comprises of the motor and the propeller. So the propeller is made of carbon fiber, and this motor is made of aluminum and steel. So this is our own custom-made motors, as you can see. That's the brand. Yeah. So
Betsa Group.
So that's our own. And before we arrived to this, we did a lot of simulations, a lot of tests, and finally we came with this design. Then second part, it's the motor speed controller, which we call it ESC, which is this part here. This is what controls the speed. Yeah. So this is also custom made. You see Uteo Aeronautics. So Uteo, people believe in Africa, people fly, you know Uteo, Willis, unajua Uteo?
Najua Uteo. Naam.
In Africa, people believe that if you like witchcrafts use Uteo to fly, that's the name of
This is a mechanical witchcraft.
Yeah, yes. So this is what now controls the speed of the motor. So each motor, there is one of these, and then now from this now we have the power. This is what powers the aircraft, and then we have the flight controller, and then also we have communication system. So we all these have to like there's a software here which now makes all this work in sync. Yeah. So from the flight controller, the power now goes to the speed controllers, and it goes to the motor. So everything is being controlled by a software. When you're flying, actually, if you even put a glass of water, it's not supposed to spill, because everything we have like a set of sensors which manage everything, manage the speed of the motors, the RPM, and make sure that everything is balanced. It has been a long journey from where we started up to this point. Yeah, almost 4 months now. Actually, what you see here it's a prototype. We still have a very long way to go, because you see all these wires, everything has to be covered neatly. At the end of everything, it's supposed to be like a real vehicle with nice interior, nice seats, safety systems, belts, and also a parachute in case of anything. And then before even we go to the parachute, the final product will have 3 redundancy. The power supply is going to be we are going to have 3 power supply systems to the aircraft. In case one fails, another one will pick up automatically. The motors, as you see, these are 5. Finally, we use about 8. So if one fails, another one will be able to pick up. Also, the flight control system also will also use triple redundancy. In case one fails, another one picks up. And then now, worst comes to us, we will introduce a ballistic parachute, whereby it will automatically eject and safely land the aircraft with the passenger. So I'm not new in the technology world or the technology field. I started electronics when I was very, very young, and all my life I've been using technology to solve problems. And I remember when I was in primary school, and there's a guy who broke into my locker and took my books. So I used technology. I created a device whereby if you touch my locker, you get electrocuted. Some companies they want to create flying cars, and one of them was Uber. They want to introduce flying cars. But when I kept following on their plan, they never mentioned Africa. Yeah, most of them they will say they want to test in the US. And I think about 2 or 3 companies want to test this in Dubai. So I started thinking, why not Africa? So sisi tukae tuletea makombo, yeah? As if we can't think. So I said, no matter how complex it is, I'll take this challenge and prove them wrong. Yeah, because most of them, whenever they think of Africa, they think of poverty, they think of diseases, they think of corruption. But we are really more than that. So I started the project, and here we are. Yeah, and I thank God I got a lot of support from Nairobi County. The governor came through, because most of the people, if you tell them that I want to build a flying car, they'll tell you, man, you're mad. Yeah, in fact, there's a guy who sent me a message and told me that before you build a flying car, build first a normal car. Yeah, we have to check the power, make sure the power is okay. We have to check the flight controller, make sure it is okay. We have to check the communication system. We have to check the motors. The propellers have to be tight. All the cables have to be all the cables have to be tight, and then we can be able to fly this. And then it has 3 modes of flying it. One, you can set like a path whereby it can be able to take off and land wherever you want it to be automatically, or you can pilot it when you're inside using the joystick. Or
there's a joystick there.
Yes. So this is very simple. This is forward, back, left, right. Then this is like if you want to pitch and yaw. Yeah. And then this is up, down. Yeah. And then you the third mode, you can fly it remotely. Yeah. So if you don't want to touch to control it from inside, you can be able to use a remote control to be able to to control it. And then you see that this is part of the team. This guy is called Baraka. Is an aeronautical engineer. So we all of us have actually the same passion with technology.
All right, here we go, ladies and ghetto people. There it is. Fly path ready. As you can see there, it can fly very well on its own. Morris and Bets are there giving it direction. It is a flying taxi, ladies and gentlemen. Mambo mufti, mambo shwari. Na kama mzazi angesema mambo mseto. Shwadeo. Now, can you imagine yourself on there as well? Powerful motors. And it's coming in for landing. Asanteni sana mabibi na mabwana, asante sana, karibu kwenye jukwaa la Isinya. Ndege aina ya flying taxi imeweza kuland.
The professional controller, yeah? Yeah. So we have a receiver here which communicates to this. So as I mentioned before, you can be able to use a normal remote. Actually, it's a professional for flying, yeah? And then you can control it from inside, or you can use a computer, program your path and be able to. Yeah. So this is what we use to check the temperatures, and then we record everything. So this will tell us if, let's say, a wire is thin, we need to change the wires, or the motor is overheating. Yeah. And then so we record everything, analyze, and then move forward. Yeah.
So there you go. Mabibi na mabwana, karibuni kwenye flying taxi inayopepea juu, na destination tutaamua baadaye. So there it is. Doing good so far. The equipment. On the equipment. All right, let's Morris, how are you feeling?
Good.
Ready?
Yes.
All right, he's ready. Just whatever works for you.
So, Willis.
Yes.
Utakuwa mbele atakuwa nyuma yako useme lift. So utakuwa umeshika useme lift, alafu ndio atake shoot kama ana lift. Okay. Ainuke kutoka nyuma yako.
So how far am I supposed to be? Just slightly. Mbele ama nyuma? Where am I supposed to be?
You wanna focus on this side.
On this side, all right. So here we are. Morris and the team are ready. We're about to see it. Turudi na nyuma kidogo. Like I said, initially this was supposed to be a flight That was going to be taken by Mike. Here's Morris now, ladies and gents. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Morris has done it. Morris is off the ground, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there you go.